This is the Hoco ES62 dual play mode wireless earphones. I want to connect it to my iPhone, so I'm turning it on. But when I want to connect it to my iPhone, the Hoco ES62 device is not showing up on my iPhone. If the Hoco ES62 device is not showing up on the iPhone, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it for 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to your iPhone. If Hoco ES62 still doesn't show up on iPhone, follow the second method. First, make sure that the Hoco ES62 is connected to another device. If Hoco ES62 is connected to another device, unpair it from there. Hoco ES62 now appears on iPhone. Now connect it to the iPhone. Hoco ES62 is now connected to the iPhone.